how to activate Ansari Payplus card fast. So to do this, what you need is your Payplus card, since that's where you'll be able to get the details, and then the mobile number that's registered with your account, and then the phone that can receive the OTP, since you're gonna get verification codes. So first, you can go ahead inside the Al Ansari app exchange itself and just go ahead to the manage cards section. You should be able to see, depending if you went to get a physical card, it's gonna automatically detect in your account an option to basically activate a Pay Plus card, or an action that allows you to add new cards, which in this case will be your Pay Plus card. Just go ahead and press on the add card and then enter the details of the physical card that you have. Then it's gonna send you OTPs and something like that, and then you're gonna have to confirm it. It's gonna be sent to your messages, and once you get that, just go ahead and type it in and just confirm it. Once you do that, it's gonna ask you to set your PIN. You can go to its settings and do so, but automatically it should show you a number screen to basically put in your PIN. Once you put in the PIN and then confirm, you should be able to have access to your physical card or your PayPlus card, and it should be activated at that point. But that is basically the process of activating your Al Ansari Pay Plus card in the Al Ansari mobile app. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.